All right, my baby dolls. And yes, we are going to try this eyebrow stamp stencil kit product because the last product I got from this company, which was the wing eyeliner stamp, do y'all remember that? Honey, that wing eyeliner stamp is everything, okay? Everything. Giving you a wing liner, like, and you out the door. You heard me? Okay, so my eyebrows are tattooed. However, a lot of your eyebrows are not. And I see makeup videos where the first 10 minutes of a makeup video is them doing their brows. My eyebrows, besides the one to my grandmother, tattoo has to be one of the best tattoos I've ever gotten in life. Like, to skip that whole 10-minute makeup routine, that's me. That's me. Okay? Now, this is the eyebrow stamp to give you perfect brows in minutes. Okay? Smudge proof, waterproof, and there are 6 different shades. 6 different shades. Okay? I will put that down below. I'm also going to give you a link down below so you can go directly to the product. Okay? Because I don't want y'all to miss out on the good. Okay? On the good. Because I may not have this problem, but y'all have this problem. So let's check it out. This company is Simpout. Simpout. They have some cool stuff, y'all. When y'all click this link and go to the Amazon link, leave a review with your stuff. Use my name, please. But Simpout has some wonderful stuff. I'm just going to tell you that right now. So first and foremost, you get your stuff in a little pouch. That's the name of the company, Simpout. I chose my color, and we're going to make it happen. Okay? We are going to make this happen. Waterproof, high pigmented formula. A little bit goes a long way. It will last up to 24 hours without fading. So I'm pulling out my little color. Pulling out my little booklet. Here's my stamps. All right. Okay. Here's a brush, and here's the sponge applicator. All right. So we got the little booklet here. Tells you the ingredients and everything that's in it. If anybody's interested, all that will be down below. So it says, choose your favorite stencil. Tap the sponge in the pomade. Align your chosen stencil to your brow. Put the sponge applicator onto it and do your brows. And then you would use the little brush part to fill in and, brush out your brows and wipe off any excess makeup. They do have 24-hour free customer service support. If you have any problems or any issues with this, you can contact them. Honey, I love a company that I can contact when I have a problem. You ever have those companies that all they want to give you is like some type of thing and, we'll get back with you? No. One thing about me, if I can get in touch with you, we good. If I can get in touch with you, we are definitely you for me and I'm for you. Okay, so I am going to get something to open this. And I like that they give you the little bag so you don't really rip. You won't lose your little things because as you open this, you can just put them back in the bag. So, okay. So can y'all see that arch right there? That's like barely an arch. And we're going to try this one. Y'all see that one right there? Now that's giving me an arch. See that arch right there? So let me show y'all both of them. The first one didn't have an arch, the top one, and the bottom one does. So I put all my other ones back in my little baggie. Okay. I'm going to punch out my arch. See what eye this is. This eye. That's real close to well, man, ain't no. Now I chose E5 dark brown. So if y'all like this when I'm done, if y'all interested, I chose E5 dark brown. Like I said, my brows are tatted. So I wasn't sure which one would go good for my brows, but I wanted to make sure I chose something. I didn't want to choose black. Okay. So I'm going to place this on here. And I'm only moving it up some because I know my brows are already tatted. So I'm trying to make it match. Trying to make it match. Okay, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, now as you can see, my brow is a little bit longer than this. But look at that. That's a good color right there. Y'all ready for me to take it off? Are you ready? Wow. And I did that because so I can show you. Like, that's awesome. Can y'all see that? Wow. It stops right here. Look how natural that looks. And it stops like right here. But look how natural that looks. Let's try the other light. Look how that looks. Wow. That is, y'all, you ain't got good sense if you're not online ordering this through my link right now. You don't have, did you see me? Did you see me just do that? Did you see me just do that? It took, what, 5 seconds? 5 seconds, y'all? You can wash these off, wipe it off, reuse it. Look where the excess stuff went. Oh my God, it's crazy. Even if you wanted to do the concealer over the top and the bottom like most girls do, you can do this and do the concealer as your cleanup. Like, I actually think I'm going to continue to use this to give my brows more like let's say I'm going to a wedding or a party or something. They're already tattooed and that's cool. But to give it just more like definition, more color, y'all, crazy. That is crazy. I'm going to wipe off my sponge. And I'm going to wipe off that stencil. So I really feel like too, they were not lying when they said a little bit goes a long way. I didn't take much off, but I do feel like I took too much off. I didn't need that much. It went right on. Like, I did too much. It went right on. I feel like as long as you choose your color, you don't need a lot. You do not need a lot. And it does say that just pat the sponge in there. You don't need a lot. And they are absolutely right. And then wipe off the stencil and flip it to repeat the step for the other side. Okay, so I use this stencil. So whatever stencil you guys use, wipe it off, flip it, boom, boom, boom. Flip it and go to the other side, y'all. You guys, oh my God. Now, see, if this was around before I got the eyebrows tattooed, I probably wouldn't have got them tattooed. But I'm not going to sit there every morning and spend 20 minutes doing my eyebrows every morning. This is a game changer. This and the eyeliner stamp, I don't know what else this company has, but I'm about to go look, okay? Because life-changing, time-saving, game changers. The stencil or brush can be wiped with makeup remover. So I am going to clean that off with makeup remover. And I am going to clean my stencil off with makeup remover because I want to use these. There are all kinds of shapes and sizes. Oh my gosh. I can't wait till baby girl gets home because I am going to show her. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to wipe it off yet because when she get home, I'm going to do the other brow and she's probably going to steal this from me. So my daughter is probably going to take this. Like, she just bought brow stuff to do her brows from a beauty supply store. So the time she spends in the bathroom doing her brows, this just cut it in half. And I guarantee you, I'm not going to be able to find this in my bathroom when I get back. Here are the steps, 4 quick and easy steps. It is waterproof, smudge proof, gives you a natural look, and it's easy to use. You guys, please go check it out and click the link I got down below. And let me know if you want me to bring you some more of these fabulous items, these time-saving items, baby. Because this company, Simpout, you have outdone yourself.
I'll see you guys in the next review.
So I just wanted to come back really quickly and show you guys this knot over my tattooed brow, because it is really amazing how this comes off and how clean it comes off. And if you still want to do the concealer, you can do the concealer after the fact just to clean it up. But y'all don't understand how perfect and clean this brow shape comes off. Watch this. Boom. Bam. Bam. Y'all not seeing what I'm seeing, see? Y'all not seeing what I'm seeing. This is giving what it was supposed to give. It came to serve what it was supposed to serve. And there are different shapes in this thing, so you can get the perfect shape that you want. But look at that. If you were putting that on your face, that would be no cleanup, no mess, no residue, no nothing. Y'all, click the link. I brought y'all the eyeliner stamp. I'm bringing y'all the brows. We changing the game with Simpout Beauty, baby. We are changing the game. If you ain't clicking, you're missing. I'm telling you that right now.